Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize the S Pen actions for the different individual apps on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on S Pen, then tap on Air Actions. In here, you want to scroll down and then go to the App Actions section and select an app that you would like to customize the Air Actions. So for example, if I tap on Gallery, I can choose what to do when I single press on the S Pen. So here we've got the S Pen. If I press on the button once right here, then it will go to the next item. Now if I double press on the button, it will go to the previous item. I can also use gestures to show how I would like to content, show how I would like to content as well by using the gestures upward or downward. I can also using the gestures to the left or to the right, and it will perform moving the gallery to the next item or the previous items. And that's it. So that is how you can change for the gallery. Now if you want to customize the Air Actions for Samsung Internet, you tap on that app. And again, you can see I can choose what to do when I single press on the button or double press or using gestures for the Samsung Internet app. If you don't want to use the Air Actions for a particular app, you can also tap on the toggle button to switch off the S Pen Air Actions for the app. Each app will have a different functions depending on the features from the app. So for camera, if I single press, it will take a picture or record a video. And for Samsung Note, if I single press, it will go to the next favorite pen. And that's it. You can tap on it to change what you can do with that particular app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.